New Zealand is a very isolated country. It's known for its beautiful landscapes and unique wildlife. Over millions of years, New Zealand has evolved into one of the most extraordinary places on Earth for nature lovers. Its native animals are found nowhere else in the world. And yet it wasn't always this way. Many of New Zealand's most iconic creatures were once common throughout the rest of the world. But somehow these animals made their way to New Zealand and evolved into the strange and wonderful creatures we know today. So here are just a few animals that can only be found in New Zealand and how they survived. Tuatara. The tuatara is one of the most famous animals that can only be found in New Zealand. In fact, it's on the country's banknotes. It's also considered to be the national reptile of New Zealand. There are 2 species of tuatara still in existence today, both of which can only be found on islands off the coast of New Zealand. The tuatara belongs to a group of reptiles known as the rhynchocephalians. For many years, scientists thought that the group had gone extinct during the Cretaceous period. However, the tuatara survived. Today, there are only around 4,000 left in the wild, and because of this, the tuatara is considered to be a vulnerable species. Kakapo. The kakapo is one of the rarest birds in the world. There are only around 150 individuals left in the wild, all of which live on the South Island of New Zealand. The kakapo is a flightless parrot that's about the size of a small dog. It has green feathers and a thick layer of fat that makes it very heavy for a bird. This makes the kakapo very slow-moving, but it also makes them very good at hiding from predators. The kakapo is nocturnal and spends its days sleeping in burrows that they dig themselves. At night, they come out to feed on fruit, seeds, and leaves. Kakapo are very social animals and spend a lot of time calling out to each other. They do this by making a loud, deep sound that can be heard up to a mile away. Weta. Weta are perhaps the most famous animal from New Zealand. They're often called the ugliest animal in the world, but to us they look pretty cool. Weta are found all over New Zealand, and there are around 70 different species. The largest weta can grow to be 10 centimeters long and weigh up to 35 grams. That's about the size of a mouse. Weta are known for being very aggressive and will attack anything that enters their territory. They have very strong jaws and can easily bite through human skin. Even though they're not venomous, their bite is very painful and can cause an infection. Gecko. New Zealand is home to a variety of different gecko species, but the most common is the Pacific gecko. This little lizard is a nocturnal hunter and feeds on insects and spiders. They're very good at what they do, too, as they have very sharp claws that help them climb trees and bushes. Their sticky tongues also help them capture their prey. Geckos are found all over New Zealand and are a common sight in gardens and parks. They're also often seen around houses, where they can be a welcome pest control. Hoiho or yellow-eyed penguin. The hoiho or yellow-eyed penguin is one of the rarest penguins in the world. There are only around 700 breeding pairs left in the wild, making it extremely rare. It's also the heaviest penguin in New Zealand, with some individuals weighing up to 7 kilos. Hoiho can be found on both the North and South Islands of New Zealand. They're often spotted swimming in the ocean or waddling around on land. Hoiho are very shy animals and will often try to hide from humans. But if you're patient and quiet, you may be able to get a glimpse of one of these amazing creatures. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe so you won't miss any new videos. God bless.